Welcome back to Houston Life. Summer is here. It is hot, but this might be the most fun way to beat the heat with the kids. Get National Water Park Day on your calendar. It is happening Sunday, July 28. And probably something you didn't know about National Water Park Day is that it was started right here in Texas by Kalahari Resorts. And here to tell us all about it, Brandon Wise. He's the assistant manager with Kalahari Resorts and Conventions. Hello, Brandon. Welcome to Houston Live.
Thanks for having me, Melanie.
Okay, National Water Park Day, it's awesome. And it's a big national event that you guys came up with at Kalahari. Where did the inspiration come from?
Yeah, we sure did. We founded this July 28th, 2017. Kalahari is home to America's largest indoor water parks with expansive outdoor water parks as well. So we know there's no better way to spend a hot summer day than at the local water park. We just felt compelled to bring this to everyone, to show the fun that water parks bring.
Oh my gosh, absolutely. Nothing better on a hot day. And what have you guys got planned specifically? I mean, it's a national event, but you guys at Kalahari have some pretty good stuff going on. Tell us about that.
Absolutely. Here at Kalahari, we're going to have a lot going on at all of our locations. Here at Round Rock, there's something for everyone, from 2 years old to 92 years old. We've got private areas for 21 plus with swim-up bars. We've got zero entry depth walk-in pools for the little ones. We've got lazy rivers that you can just kind of take a calm stroll around. There's something for everyone going on, as well as DJs, music, giveaways throughout the day.
Wow, you're saying ages 2 to 82 or probably even older. I mean, is there any age limit or is it fun for everyone at Kalahari?
It's fun for everyone, from the little water tables for the littlest of kids to areas designed for your 6, 7, 8-year-olds, big slides for the big kids and those kids at heart, to the lazy river for those just looking for a leisurely afternoon. We've got something for everyone.
And you know, it's not just the water park as well. You have a whole lot more going on at Kalahari.
Absolutely. You know, we have our Arts and Food and Beverage. We've got our Tomfooleries Adventure Park, which is immediately outside of our water park, with something to do either before or after if we just need a little break from the water.
Well, and you know what? With National Water Park Day, you must have some really awesome specials. What can we expect specifically on July 28th?
July 28th is the day. That is National Water Park Day. So because it's the 28th, on that day, we're offering 28% off future room night stays, $10 off day passes for the water park for those that aren't staying with us, discounts on season passes, and a lot more.
Oh my gosh, I love it. So many great deals. That's really, really good. You're taking care of us basically and helping us beat this heat in the best way possible. National Water Park Day. And you know, I love it that it's just such an easy drive from Houston. I was chatting with a friend and she actually went to Kalahari with her kids and she said it's amazing and just such an easy road trip heading to Round Rock from Houston.
It is just a couple hours up the road, whether you're looking to stay and play for the day. We've got those day passes, or stay overnight and enjoy a couple of days. Those rooms include the passes to the water park.
What's your favorite one? What's your favorite water slide?
Well, for me, I bring my kids who are a little bit older. My wife and I sneak away to the Grotto, which is a 21-year plus only space, and we kind of find some time to relax there.
Oh, I like that. You know, you really do take care of the kids and the big kids, the parents as well. Easy family fun road trip for sure.
Absolutely. Whether it's just a quick drive up the road for a day pass or if we're staying overnight that includes the access to water parks, we're good both ways there.
Oh, absolutely amazing. Love it so much. Always love a road trip, but especially when it's got something fantastic at the end of it. And that is Kalahari Resorts. Brandon Wise, thank you so much for joining us today on Houston Live. And definitely National Water Park Day. It's just around the corner, Sunday, July 28. You guys have those great specials and people can go check it out ahead of time at kalahariresorts.com/Texas. What a great place to head to. Again, kalahariresorts.com/Texas. Houston Life will be right back.